Good morning to one and all. I am SSS Vikas of class 10A1 Velaman Vidyasan Ratan Tata block Surapet. The first project which I have made is a firefighting robot. The firefighting robot is used to extinguish fire nearby you. I have used Arduino Uno, which is the main board of this project, and I have used a L293D motor driver shield, which is used to control the motors and gears. If you ask me how does the firefighting robot sense the fire and goes toward it, I have used a fire sensor. This senses the fire and goes towards it. And I have used a servo motor which is used to turn the container. And water comes out of the container with this 6-volt DC pump. When the fire is on, the fire sensor receives the fire and sends the information to the Arduino board, and the Arduino board sends information to all other parts of the firefighting robots to do their work. Now I will show you how does the firefighting robot work.
Now I have added water inside the container. Now the firefighting robot extinguishes the fire. Now it comes towards right and extinguishes the fire. Now it detects the fire in the left and extinguishes it. Thank you.
The second project which I have made is an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. An automatic hand sanitizer dispenser is a device which is used to dispense a controlled amount of sanitizer. They function to conserve the amount of sanitizer used, and they prevent the infectious disease transmission. If you see in most of the sanitizer dispenser, you have to push the top of the sanitizer container so that sanitizer falls on your hand. Many people press the same part and the infectious disease may transmit. In this automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, you need not touch the sanitizer container. If you keep your hand under the pipe, the sanitizer automatically falls on your hand. Now I will show you how the automatic hand sanitizer works. The automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. I have used an IR sensor which senses the object in front of it, and I have used a TIP32C transistor, and I have used a 1K ohm resistor. Inside the container you could see the 6-volt DC pump. Now I will show you how this works. Now I have switched on the automatic hand sensor dispenser. Now I will keep my hand in front of the sensor and let us see this works or not. When I keep my hand, the red light is glowing. If I add sanitizer into this container, the pump will dispense the sanitizer inside my hand. Now I will show you by adding the sanitizer inside. Now I have poured the sanitizer inside the container. Now I will show you. See? This IR receiver receives our hand and sends the information to the DC pump, and DC pumps dispense the hand sanitizer like this.